Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word ham. It's a term that's closely associated with the delicious variety of meat. Let's get started. Meaning. Ham is a noun that refers to the thigh and buttock of a pig or boar, prepared as food by curing, smoking, or drying. It's a popular type of preserved meat, often served as a flavorful ingredient in various dishes or enjoyed on its own. Pronunciation. Pronounce ham as hum, rhyming with clam. Use in a sentence. 1. The glazed ham was the centerpiece of the holiday feast. 2. A classic ham and cheese sandwich is a quick and tasty lunch option. Synonyms. In the context of meat, synonyms for ham can include pork, bacon, or prosciutto, depending on the specific type of preserved meat. Conclusion. Ham is a delicious and versatile meat that adds flavor to a wide range of dishes. It's a culinary delight enjoyed around the world. Thanks for joining us, and may your meals always be seasoned with the savory taste of ham.